We are Kiritbhai Patel and Shimki Patel from Nandi, Fiji. The reference for SGVP Hospital was provided by one of my very good friends, Arvind Raniga, who is one of our neighbors where I live. We got booking and everything was very well facilitated by the HR person, Mr. Sagar Gokani. We came here and our first sight of the premises was very impressive. Through the reception up to our room, everything was very well coordinated. We were very well looked after, and then in the afternoon of the day we arrived, we went and saw the consultant orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Karthik Shukla. He made us at ease, went through the procedure and said that we really do not need operation for both my knees, we'll only need one, and that was very comforting. Because I had approached other hospitals in India, they immediately said that you need total knee replacement on both the knees. But that was very comforting. So the next day we had a procedure, so much so, my wife also had some nasal congestion, and because of the quality of service and the experience of the doctors here, the specialists, my wife also then saw a ENT specialist for her nasal congestion. That was Monday afternoon, and then on Wednesday she had an operation, and I had mine the Tuesday before. During the whole procedure for both of us, it went quite well. We were very comforted, the facilities were very good, and during the surgery, during the procedure, everything went quite well. We were brought back to our rooms, and the post-operative care was very well attended to, and both of us were well looked after. I would highly recommend SGVP as a multi-specialty hospital to anyone requiring services for specialized treatment here in India. Highly recommended. Dr. Karthik Shukla and Dr. Sheshav were both very good professionals and looked after us and treated us very well. Full marks to SGVP Holistic Hospital. And I wish the hospital many, many years of success going forward.
SGVP होलिस्टिक हॉस्पिटल, एलोपैथी, आयुर्वेद एवं योग,